Choosing the right home defense pistol in 2026 means having the latest technology, reliability, and features that could save your life. This year's releases bring game-changing innovations specifically designed for defending your home and family. From high-capacity micro-compacts to suppressor-ready full sizes, manufacturers delivered exactly what home defenders need. Before we count down the 10 best new pistols for home defense in 2026, let's dive in. 10. Taurus GXR. Taurus released the GXR Tactical in early 2026, bringing affordability to home defense. This striker-fired 9mm holds 17+1 rounds with flush-fit magazines. The full-size grip provides excellent control during high-stress situations. Taurus's flat-face trigger breaks at 5 pounds with acceptable reset. An optics-ready slide accepts Shield RMSC footprint red dots for faster target acquisition. Tritium night sights provide low-light capability crucial for home defense scenarios. The aggressive grip texture ensures control even with sweaty hands during adrenaline dump. At 26 ounces unloaded, the GXR tactical maneuvers easily room to room. The 4.5-inch barrel provides optimal velocity for defensive ammunition. An integrated accessory rail accepts full-size weapon lights like Streamlight TLR-1. Taurus includes 3 17-round magazines providing 54 rounds of on-hand ammunition. The enhanced extractor design prevents malfunctions during critical moments. Early adopters report flawless reliability through 2,000+ rounds of various ammunition. Brazilian manufacturing keeps costs accessible for budget-conscious defenders. The GXR Tactical represents serious home defense capability under $600. 9. Canik Rival S. Canik's Rival S brings competition features to home defense applications. This full-size 9mm holds 18+1 rounds with aluminum frame construction. The superior flat-face trigger breaks at 3.5 pounds, enabling precise shot placement. Fiber optic front sight paired with adjustable rear provides rapid target acquisition. An optics-ready slide accepts all major red dot patterns for enhanced accuracy. The aluminum frame provides durability while managing recoil during rapid fire. At 31 ounces unloaded, the Rival S remains stable during follow-up shots. The 5-inch barrel ensures complete powder burn and maximum velocity. An integrated accessory rail accepts full-size tactical lights crucial for identification. Canik includes 4 18-round magazines providing 76 rounds on hand. The flared mag well enables rapid reloads if extended engagement occurs. Enhanced slide serrations ensure manipulation even with wet or bloody hands. The Rival S represents serious home defense capability at mid-tier pricing. This pistol proves competition guns excel in defensive roles. The shootability ensures accurate fire under extreme stress conditions. 8. Smith & Wesson M&P9 M2.0 Metal S&Ws. M&P9 M2.0 Metal brings all metal construction to home defense. This full-size 9mm holds 17+1 rounds with aluminum frame. The metal frame provides exceptional recoil management during rapid fire strings. S&W's flat-face trigger breaks at 5 pounds with improved feel. White dot sights work adequately with night sight and optics options available. An optics-ready slide accepts most red dot patterns for faster acquisition. At 32 ounces unloaded, the metal frame shoots incredibly flat. The 5-inch barrel provides maximum velocity for defensive hollow points. An integrated accessory rail accepts full-size weapon lights, absolutely crucial. Smith & Wesson includes 3 17-round magazines providing 54 rounds total. The aggressive texturing ensures control during high-stress defensive scenarios. Ambidextrous controls accommodate family members regardless of hand dominance. American manufacturing supports domestic economy while ensuring quality control. The M2.0 Metal represents traditional feel with modern features. This pistol appeals to defenders wanting metal frame reliability. The weight helps manage recoil for faster, accurate follow-up shots. 7. Springfield Armory Echelon. Springfield's Echelon Tactical brings modularity to home defense applications. This full-size 9mm holds 20+1 rounds with extended magazines. Variable interface system provides backstraps and beaver tails fitting all hand sizes. An optics-ready slide accepts 23 different red dot patterns seamlessly. Tactical rack sights with tritium provide low light capability for nighttime defense. The flat-face trigger breaks at 5 pounds with short reset. At 28 ounces unloaded, the Echelon tactical balances maneuverability and stability. The 5-inch barrel ensures optimal performance with defensive ammunition. An integrated accessory rail accepts weapon lights essential for target identification. Springfield includes 3 20-round magazines, providing 63 rounds on hand. Enhanced slide serrations ensure manipulation during high-stress situations. American manufacturing maintains Springfield's quality standards throughout production. The Echelon Tactical represents customizable home defense solution. This pistol adapts to different family members' needs perfectly. 6. SIG Sauer P320 X Full. SIG's P320 X Full delivers proven reliability for home defense. This full-size 9mm holds 17+1 rounds with modular design. The X-Series grip module features aggressive texturing and enhanced ergonomics. SIG's flat trigger breaks at 5.5 pounds with short positive reset. X-Ray 3 day, night sights provide excellent visibility across all lighting conditions. An optics-ready slide accepts Romeo 1 Pro or Delta Point Pro red dots directly. The full-size grip accommodates weapon-mounted lights without interference. At 29 ounces unloaded, the P320X Full manages recoil effectively. The 4.7-inch barrel provides excellent velocity for defensive loads. An integrated accessory rail accepts full-size tactical lights crucial for identification. SIG includes 3 17-round magazines providing adequate on-hand ammunition. The P320 Exa Full represents battle-proven home defense solution. This pistol's reliability under extreme conditions provides peace of mind. 5. CZ P10 FCZ's P10F suppressor ready brings hearing protection to home defense. This full-size 9mm holds 19+1 rounds with threaded barrel. The fiber-reinforced polymer frame provides durability and reliability. CZ's legendary trigger breaks at 4.5 pounds with short positive reset. Suppressor height tritium night sights co-witness perfectly with optics. An optics-ready slide accepts shield RMSC pattern micro red dots. The threaded barrel accepts suppressors protecting hearing during indoor use. At 29 ounces unloaded, the P10F remains controllable suppressed. The 4.5-inch threaded barrel provides adequate velocity when suppressed. CZ includes 3 19-round magazines providing 60 rounds on hand. The deep undercut trigger guard allows maximum grip height. Swappable back straps ensure perfect fit for all family members. This pistol proves home defense can protect hearing while stopping threats. 4. Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS. Glock 17 Gen 5 MOS FS remains home defense gold standard. This full-size 9mm holds 17+1 rounds with legendary reliability. The Gen 5 improvements include NDLC finish and ambidextrous slide stops. The modular optic system accepts most micro red dots via adapter plates. Front serrations enable press checks, verifying chamber status before bed. At 25 ounces loaded, the G17 balances perfectly for home defense. The polymer frame withstands environmental extremes, maintaining reliability always. Glock's safe action trigger provides consistent 5.5-pound pull weight. Factory night sights provide adequate low-light capability for nighttime defense. An integrated accessory rail accepts full-size weapon lights, absolutely essential. The flared magwell aids reloads during high-stress defensive situations. Glock includes 3 17-round magazines providing 54 rounds on hand. Law enforcement worldwide trusts G17 for duty-proving reliability. The G17 Gen 5 MOS FS represents proven home defense solution. This pistol's legendary reliability provides ultimate peace of mind. 3. Walther PDP full-size 4.5. Walther's PDP full-size brings German engineering to home defense. This 9mm holds 18+1 rounds with exceptional ergonomics. The performance duty trigger breaks at 5 pounds with glass rod feel. Super terrain slide serrations ensure manipulation in any conditions imaginable. 3 interchangeable back straps provide perfect fit for all users. An optics-ready slide accepts most micro red dot patterns seamlessly. The ergonomic grip angle points, naturally reducing training time. At 27 ounces unloaded, the PDP manages recoil exceptionally well. The 4.5-inch barrel balances velocity and maneuverability perfectly. An integrated accessory rail accepts full-size tactical lights essential. Walther includes 3 18-round magazines, providing 57 rounds total. The ambidextrous slide stop accommodates all family members universally. Deep slide cuts reduce reciprocating mass for faster cycling. The PDP full-size represents ultimate shootability for home defense. This pistol enables accurate fire even under extreme stress. 2. FN 509 Tactical FN's 509 Tactical delivers suppressor-ready home defense capability. This full-size 9mm holds 17+1 rounds with 24-round extended magazines. The threaded barrel accepts suppressors protecting family hearing during indoor use. Suppressor height night sights co-witness perfectly with mounted optics. An optics-ready slide accepts most red dot patterns seamlessly. The cold hammer-forged barrel ensures 20,000+ round service life. At 27.9 ounces unloaded, the 509 Tactical manages suppressed fire effectively. The 4.5-inch threaded barrel provides adequate velocity when suppressed. An integrated accessory rail accepts weapon lights crucial for identification. What EFN includes 3 17-round magazines and 1 24-round extended magazine. Ambidextrous controls accommodate all family members regardless of dominance. The recessed slide stop prevents accidental engagement during manipulation. The 509 Tactical represents ultimate suppressed home defense solution. This pistol protects both family and hearing simultaneously. 1 Staccato P. Taking our top spot is the Staccato P 2.0 for ultimate home defense. This full-size 9mm holds 17+1 rounds with match-grade accuracy. Hand-fitted barrels guarantee sub 1.5-inch groups, ensuring precise threat stopping. The flat 1911 style trigger breaks at precisely 4 pounds with 0 creep. Staccato's DLC coating provides exceptional durability and reliability. An optics-ready slide accepts all major red dot patterns seamlessly. The aluminum frame with stainless steel slide balances at 42 ounces loaded. DUO recoil system reduces felt recoil by 45%, enabling rapid fire. Enhanced grip texturing ensures control during high-stress defensive scenarios. The magazine well funnel enables fast reloads if extended engagement occurs. Ambidextrous thumb safety provides traditional operation with modern enhancement. Fiber optic front sight paired with adjustable rear enables precision aiming. An integrated accessory rail accepts full-size weapon lights, absolutely essential. Staccato includes 4 17-round magazines, providing 72 rounds on hand. This pistol provides match-grade accuracy when lives depend on it. Staccato proves ultimate home defense, demands ultimate quality and reliability. There you have it, the 10 best new pistols for home defense in 2026. From budget-friendly Taurus to ultimate Staccato perfection, there's a home defense pistol for every need and budget. Remember, the best home defense gun is worthless without training. Practice regularly and know your local laws. This guide helped you. Smash that like button, subscribe for more defensive firearm content, and comment which pistol you're trusting for home defense. Stay safe and stay prepared.